We're here with Learn Igbo on igboticnono, and the Igbo lesson for today is Learn Igbo Language / phrases. Of course, the word we are learning today is Akwukwo. Akwukwo is book. Akwukwo is book. Akwukwo is book. These are the Igbo words or the Igbo sentences or the Igbo language, whatever, that is used frequently every day of your life. The Igbo word that is used every day. So I will advise you listen to this video and learn all, not even one or two. Okay? And some sentences are as follows. Igbo language is your mother's tongue, so you don't need to be shy speaking it. Everybody has his or her mother's tongue, so your own identifies you. So do not be ashamed to express yourself in your mother's tongue. Okay? And we go further with some sentences. Okay na-agụ akwụkwọ. Okay na-agụ akwụkwọ. Okay na-agụ akwụkwọ means okay is reading his book. Okay is reading his book. The reason why I said his instead of hers is because in Igbo language, in Igbo dialect, mostly okay is the male child. So now in this context, I assume okay is the male child. That is why I said his. Okay, he's reading his book. And I'll be looking this way from time to time. That is because I have my notes down already, okay? And the next sentence here we use most often in Igbo language every day is okay na agụrụ ụmụazị akwụkwọ. Okay na agụrụ ụmụazị akwụkwọ. Okay is reading out something for the book for the kids. Do you understand? Okay is reading out something from the book for the kids. Subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. I teach Igbo language. You will learn on this channel how to read and write, of course in Igbo language, understand your Igbo phrases, and be able to make sentences. Okay? Everything about everything Igbo in general. So we continue. Mechie akwụkwọ gị. Mechie akwụkwọ gị. Mechie akwụkwọ gị. Mechie akwụkwọ gị means close your book. We also say in Igbo language, we also say meghee akwụkwọ gị. Meghee akwụkwọ gị means open your book. Kedu ihe ị na-ede n'akwụkwọ gị? Kedu ihe ị na-ede n'akwụkwọ gị? What are you writing in your book? What are you writing in your book? Okay? Linda bụ akwụkwọ ya n'isi. Linda bụ akwụkwọ ya n'isi. Linda is carrying her book under her head. Linda is carrying her book on her head. Okay? Ana m achọ otu akwụkwọ dị mkpa. 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 I am looking for one important book. I am looking for one important book. Akwụkwọ ndị a aghọtaghị m ya. Akwụkwọ ndị a aghọtaghị m ya. Akwụkwọ ndị a aghọtaghị m ya means this book I don't understand them. Okay? Akwụkwọ ndị a garala ọnụ. 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 These books are expensive. These books are expensive. Akwụkwọ ndị a adịghị ọnụ. Akwụkwọ ndị a adịghị ọnụ. Akwụkwọ ndị a adịghị ọnụ. These books are not expensive. These books are not expensive. Okay? Akwụkwọ ndị a emeela ochie. Akwụkwọ ndị a emeela ochie. Akwụkwọ ndị a emeela ochie. These books are old. These books are old. These books are old. Akwụkwọ ndị a amaka. Akwụkwọ ndị a amaka. Akwụkwọ ndị a amaka. These books are beautiful. These books are beautiful. Akwụkwọ ndị a bara uru. Akwụkwọ ndị a bara uru. Akwụkwọ ndị a bara uru. These books are important. Akwụkwọ ndị a bara uru. Akwụkwọ ndị a bara uru. These books are important. Akwụkwọ ndị a adọkala. Akwụkwọ ndị a adọkala. Akwụkwọ ndị a adọkala means these books are torn. These books are torn. So this brings me to the end of today's lesson. Today's Learn Igbo with igboticnono. Today's lesson, learning Igbo language. Igbo phrases we use every day. Okay, this brings me to the end of it. And if you've not subscribed, like I mentioned earlier, please do so and share my video as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day.